Okay, hello, it's Tom again from Shoes and That. Thanks again everyone for tuning into the video. This one's got a little bit of a useful tip. We're going to talk about how to remove the watermarks that you get on suede when it's rained or you spilled a beer or whatever it might be. It happens all the time and it's so easy to fix. So we've got a pair of Air Max 90 Viotex here. Love these shoes, tend to keep them pretty clean. You can see like the midsole, everything there is kept pretty clean, but the suede has got a bit of watermarks on it that you can see there. We'll take a closer look at them anyway, so you can see more the detail of what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you how to fix it up. You literally need one thing to fix these up, and it's a decent brush, to be fair. Now, obviously not everyone's got like a shoe cleaning kit at home or whatever, so you can use like a toothbrush. If you get like a soft bristle toothbrush, something like that, next time you're in home bargains or whatever. But you can order these online. I think they're about five or £6 typically. You don't have to spend a great deal of money. This is an attire care hog hair brush, which is great for suede, like delicate material, stuff like that. Attire care, they do another one that's a vegan, like plastic bristles kind of thing. But again, it's dead soft, dead good for like sensitive materials like suede. But there's loads out there. We Shoevenade do some really good ones that I've used over the years. Just check them out, have a look. But Attire Care's decent brushes. Jason Mark, great brushes. But have a look. And if you've not got one lying around, or you don't want to bother getting one, or you just want to try it out first, grab a toothbrush, soft bristles, and you can get started. It's dead easy to do, and we'll show you up now. So I'll take a closer look at the shoe just to show you what I'm on about, and I'll show you how to fix it, okay? Okay, so you can see there, on the blue patches of suede, can you see the little watermarks that we've got coming through? It is on the red as well, you can see it down there, where it's just a bit darker than the rest of the suede. Bit on the purple as well up the side. So I reckon you can see there what's happened with these is I've just worn them, it started raining, and I've ran for the hills so I don't mess my suede up. But we've got some casualty, so let's look at sorting it out. Okay, so dead easy here now. You have a look at the suede, see where the watermarks are there. You can see it's gone slightly discoloured. You want to take your brush and you want to just lightly, gently brush circular motion. Now, ideally what you want to do is you want to look at the nap of the suede and see which direction it goes. Now you can see from rubbing your finger over it and seeing which way the fibres like go towards, basically. It's a bit hard to explain it, but you'll see what I mean. If you've got, especially on longer nap suede, much easier to see. This is, hello, you getting in, buds, yeah? This is a bit shorter, nearly like new book length of the, go on, off, out. So you want to take your brush, nice easy, circular motion around it. And again, like I said, if you've not got a brush, a shoe brush like this, you can grab them dead easy online, or you can just use a soft bristle toothbrush if you just want to get started. And you see, dead easy, circular motion around the suede. Now you want to, ideally, if you've got an expensive pair of kicks there, or just like something that you love, you want to do patch by patch, because the nap tends to go in different directions on the different patches of suede. So just again, just round, nice and soft, nice and gentle. Try not to go too hard on it, but that's again why I say use a soft bristle brush and it'll make your life much easier. So this will just take a couple of minutes, maybe, depends how badly the water's on there or whatever it is. This might even be beer, I'm not gonna lie to you, but you see how easy it's coming out. you can see there straight away, you can already see it's all gone. Literally took what, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever that was. Have a look on the bottom of the video, see how long we were there for. But dead easy, do you know what I mean? Just repeat it, round and round and round, dead easy. And then repeat on the other shoe. Do you know what I mean? And then you wanna go around the whole shoe, make sure you've done up all the suede, make sure you've removed any marks. Now, it will, if you use water when you're cleaning suede, it's so easy to use too much water, dry out the suede, and you're knackered then. Then you've got a bit of a job then, restoring the oils to the suede and trying to get that nice buttery feeling that we all love our suede for. So, if you're gonna clean suede, first things first, whether you're gonna do like a full wash or even just like a little touch up like we're doing here now, try and avoid water. Jason and Mark do a really good ready to use foam where you just literally spray it on. We'll show you in another video, but you spray it on, it's got a perfect ratio of water to cleaning solution, so you're not gonna mess up your suede basically. So check that out. But I'll just go around the shoe now. I'll speed up the video a little bit so we're not sat here all day, and I'll show you the finished result at the end of the shoe. And literally, this is the only thing we're going to use to do it. So here we go. Okay, one down, so you can see there straight away, show you up close, all those watermarks that we had before are now gone. The suede looks nice, it's restored to its nice natural nap with like the buttery feel that you get when you rub over your finger. It just feels soft and nice. I could sit and rub all day suede. I'm a bit of a weirdo, me. So we'll do the other shoe and I'll just show you the finished product basically. But again, you probably saw there, I just went patch by patch of suede round with a circular motion with a brush, and it sorts it dead easy. The thing with suede is it's such a versatile fabric, and it is got lots of like natural oils and stuff like that help nurture it and like keep it soft, keep it nice. So as little water as possible if you are ever going to clean suede shoes. We're going to do another video anyway, of when you're doing when you've got knackered shoes, suede, and you want to get them box fresh again. So we'll do that on a separate video. We'll probably use some Yeezy Wave Runners, or we've got a couple pair of Yeezys. Obviously there's a lot of suede and nubuck on Yeezys, mix of materials. So we'll show you how to do a proper good clean on them. So I'll finish up this shoe. Thanks everyone for watching. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments box. I'm more than happy to help anything there that you've got. So yeah, I'll finish up this. A bit of background on me as well. You might be thinking, who's this lad? Why is he telling us about cleaning trainers? I've been cleaning trainers for a few years now. I started off as a bit of a sneaker addict, as we all do. But I like to keep all my shoes like really clean, really fresh. So I started up cleaning up my own trainers, and a lot of my mates and that was saying like obviously how fresh I managed to keep all my trainers all the time. So I started cleaning up some shoes there for like friends, family, all that stuff, and it just kind of spiraled from there. You can see on Instagram, if you take a look at Spotless Sneaks, that's my other trainer cleaning page in Manchester. We do it for all sorts of shoes, all sorts of things come through the door. So it's you know, you learn a lot of stuff over the years, and unfortunately sometimes you learn the hard way. So I've tried and tested all these methods. I know they work. I use them every day on my own shoes. I use them on other people's shoes. Everyone always loves it. So keep on top of your suede, make them fresh, and that's it. Easy life. So there we go, all sorted. You can see the marks we talked about earlier, they're completely disappeared. Looks again brand new. Obviously the midsoles could do with a bit of a clean up, in my opinion, but we'll do that on a separate video. So thanks everyone for watching. You can see how easy that process is. Let us know how you get on. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments, if you're going to try this yourself. Any questions, any doubts you might have, uncertainties, drop them in the comments. I'll answer every single one of them. And then next time we'll be talking about cleaning the midsoles, cleaning the undersoles, because obviously they can get pretty knackered then. You can see there. I wear these quite a lot, lovely shoe, but it's good to keep on top of them. So thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, tag your friends, share the video with anyone you think might know who would want to look after their suede. Appreciate it all, and I'll see you next time.